Oh yeah.
Oops.
That's amazing. Okay. Ooh. So we've actually been planning videos today, and today's video is gonna be blindfold taste testing. So Kristina's gonna go downstairs, pick out some things. I'm gonna go downstairs, pick out some things. We're gonna put the blindfold on.
Try to guess and see who wins.
Try to guess and see who wins. So let's cut this intro. We'll be right back. Are we gonna do like gross things or just like?
I was just gonna do normal stuff.
All right, like try to
easy.
find.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, so now that you guys are back from that intro, my name is Kristina, and we are going to be doing the blindfold taste testing. We're each going to be getting 5 items, and then putting them underneath one of those boxes there, and then coming in and taste testing each of them. So let's see how it goes. Alright guys, I just found my 5 items. They're underneath that box right there. I'm gonna go grab Martin so we can find his. I hopefully found some good ones. I don't know, it was kind of tough to find them because Martin is so picky and I don't want to offend him by giving him anything wrong, so we'll see. Come on.
Okay, now it's my turn. Let's see what I can find. I'm sorry, Kristina. I had to do it. Okay, so you guys just got back from that time lapse, and we filmed with like downstairs and everything when we were doing the video, but the microphone was not on for the camera till like about halfway in, so I'll clip it when we started it, and then you can enjoy there. But we actually did have a GoPro camera set up for an overview, but did not hit record on that one, sadly, as well. So enjoy this take of our reactions. Hopefully that doesn't do too much. Just realized the microphone wasn't on. All right. Here you go. Oh, you didn't have to put those on yet.
I know.
Show them what you got.
Alright, turn around.
Now look.
This is so much heavier. How do you even do this?
New camera.
Alright. Dun, dun, dun.
Kristina's a perfectionist.
No, I'm not, but it's not covered, so don't turn around, but just take the camera. Sorry, I don't have enough hands. Okay,
All set?
all set.
Okay, so now that we're a little set up, we got the GoPro there for yeah, and then we got this for our facial reactions. So, should we rock, paper, scissors, who goes first?
Yeah. So loser goes first or winner goes first?
Loser has to be blindfolded first.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
I thought you'd switch it up.
Where's the blindfold? Oh, I grabbed it. All right, here's your blindfold. So I'm gonna give these to you. Can you not see?
Hold on, hold on.
All set?
Can't see nothing.
Okay.
Are you gonna feed it to me?
Yep. All right, so my box is revealing the stuff. I wish I could show these better on camera. All right.
There's silverware there.
First things first. Let's go with this. I'm gonna have to get you a glass of water. Open.
Oh gosh.
Chew.
Oh, that's a fruit snack. We should have got
Water.
paper to. What'd you say?
I'm just getting water.
Oh, thank you.
Paper, yeah, to write down. All right, so Kristina gets a 1. All right, so now number 2.
Okay, hold on. I don't know if I should, like, it's weird because I want to keep my eyes open, but like, they're closed.
All right, this is a spoonful. You ready? Let me show the camera quick.
Oh, a big spoonful?
Kinda.
Oh my gosh, is it gonna gross me out?
No.
What? Oh my god! A muffin!
Oh no, don't look at the other things. Here's some water.
I was not that deep.
Don't worry, I'm really nice. I'm getting it really nice.
And ketchup!
Yeah, there was ketchup as well, so I guess that's a half a 1.
Gosh.
Alright.
Okay, thought I want to swallow that.
Here, move more on camera. You ready for number 2?
3.
3?
I don't know, all I can taste is the mustard. What in the world? Is this ramen noodles?
Yeah. So you got that one. So you got 2.5. Alright, you ready for the next one?
That was so scary. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Your little laugh scared me.
Alright.
Okay. Do I have any mustard on my face?
No, you're good. You ready? It's the hot Doritos. Alright, so you got that one. Wait, you'll want the next one. The next one will be good.
Oh, chips are so bad.
You ready?
I guess. Popsicle. That was a good one.
Pop. So you got 4.5. Alright, not so bad, not so bad. Alright, now I'm gonna clean up. You can take the blindfold off. Just gotta angle it up a bit. Alright.
Oh gosh, my mouth is still on fire.
I'm gonna need that. Alright, so I am secure. I'm just gonna keep my eyes closed.
Can't see?
Can't see.
Alright, I'm gonna put the water over there. Alright. Dun dun dun.
Just put the box forever. This is kind of weird.
Right? I don't know what I should start off with.
Oh boy.
I feel like it's nothing bad. The first part has 2 parts to it, okay?
Oh boy. Okay. That's good because I
So
gave you
hold on.
one that could be a half.
I know. But it's, you kind of know. Hold on, I gotta show it to the camera. Oh, I'm trying to show it to the screen. Okay, so it's going in at once though. Oh no, it's not. Chew that.
Okay.
You don't know what it is?
Hold on.
I have more. I broke up little pieces if you can't get it on the first bite. I was smart.
I'm like, I know what it is, but since my eyes are closed, I literally can't. I don't even know. It's some type of cookie, right?
Uh-huh.
Is it cookie dough, like ice cream? No.
You wanna try it again?
No, I didn't like it. What was it? I give up.
It was an Oreo.
An Oreo?
Yeah.
No.
Yes. When you take your blindfold off, you'll see more. I have.
That tasted like cookie dough, like not like the like chocolate cookie in the.
Yeah, like just bland cookie dough.
I thought you put like some type of like hummus in my mouth or
no,
something.
that's why I did it in two to really throw them off.
Alright, so I did not get that.
All right.
For the next.
Hold on, I gotta show it to the lens. Too small to focus. Whatever.
Is it celery?
No.
What type of vegetable?
Mm-hmm.
Is it grape?
No, it's not a vegetable.
It's starting to taste like an apple.
Nope, that's not fruit.
Okay.
You wanna try it again?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh. It's a carrot.
Yes.
I can't believe you gave me a carrot. I did not get that.
All right. Ready for number 3?
Yeah. Granola.
Yes.
That scared me with your
I know. Okay. Oh, I forgot to show that one off. Hold on. Alright. I broke all of mine up, so I don't know if people can tell what they all are.
Is there one more?
There's 2 more. Stop it, Finn. Alright, open them out.
Animal cracker.
Yes.
I was gonna get you one of those. I knew you'd get it though.
Alright, this one might be a toughie.
Alright, I get this one.
You ready?
Uh-huh. Is it like not cooked spaghetti?
Yes.
Ow. Hurts my teeth.
It's not cooked spaghetti.
Is that it?
Yes, that's it.
Oh,
But see, the first one you ate were Oreos.
that's insane. Well, we're gonna end this video upstairs. So that was our blind taste test video. We hope you guys enjoyed. That was very fun to make. Really a bummer that we didn't really get to get the GoPro to turn on and stuff, and then some of the audio was a little messed up. But we still had a lot of fun, so make sure to smash that like button if you like this video. Leave a comment down below if you want us to do more goofy videos like this. And like always, have a great day, guys. Go crush it. Peace.